guys ready to see
Yes.
what I got?
Yeah, let's see it, Blayne.
It came in like this styrofoam cooler. Perfectly protected. There's 3 bottles in here. First one is a champagne. Oh, it looks so it's a Chardonnay champagne. It looks so amazing.
Wow.
I love how they ship it. All right, what do we have? We have, oh my goodness, I can't even read that. It's so fancy.
It's very pixelated, but it looks
Catchy or something, or
It's Italian.
Oh.
It's Italian. It says Rosso, Rosso. Oh, and look at this seal.
sounds
Doesn't
delicious.
that
these
just
look
look
nice. What year are
super
these?
fancy?
Like
This is a 2020.
okay.
The champagne, I'm not sure. Oh, whoa, this is a ship in a storm. It's called The Devil to Pay. What could be more
That is
fitting?
perfect. I love it.
I already know
This
that
is
one's good.
This is a 2019. How often do you guys, when you drink, how often do you judge a bottle of wine by its label? Because I'm 100%.
It's crucial.
Oh,
It's so
yeah,
important.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah. The Devil to Pay red wine. It's 53% Malbec, 26% Cabernet Sauvignon, 11%. Ooh, can't say it. Petit
Syrah?
Verdot. Verdot. Anyway, it's by Jack Tar Cellars, Napa, California. Anyway, thank you, Last Bottle of Wine. There's also something else in here.
oh.
I'm so glad we could
This
do
is sweet.
together.
Yeah, you got to do an unboxing every episode.
Yeah, if you can't tell, all 3 of us are sommeliers.
Oh. Interesting. That's just something from the packaging. Just
Anticlimactic.
yeah, it was called a Nordic ice brick. So
Okay. I know guys.
But it wasn't cold, and it's also been in there like a week or 2.
It used to be cold.
But what in here could possibly need
I was gonna
to
say,
be
I don't think you
chilled?
chill red wine, do you? Maybe.
Well, you probably just don't want it to get hot.
Okay. Yeah, it didn't get hot. It's been in my room temperature house.
So I'm sure it's just for like the truck and then like sitting on your front porch, you know.
Cool.
And those Nordic things last a while, so that's probably a pretty good solution for them.
Cool. Well, thank you, Last Bottle.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Let me know how.